Hi Tango dancer, are you looking for a different way to do tango turns?
In this video we are teaching you a really cool way to turn in the dance that you can use in the tango vals or in the tango.
Hi, we are Pablo and Anne from Tango Space, where we help people in London and in Paris to move better, to express themselves, to meet friendly people and to dance elegantly with our tango lessons.
We have hundreds of students and we have been teaching for years together, and every time we see that there is an interest for learning how to turn differently in the dance. So we always want to inspire our students with new movements, and we'd like to do the same with you today, teaching you a really cool way to turn when you are dancing. This movement requires a lot of pivoting. If you are anything like us, you really want your pivot to be very stable, very controlled, so that your embrace feels good for your partner. So if that's the case, we have created a special free guide for you. It's a special one, easy, but also powerful exercise to help you practice the pivots at home. I will put the link in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and download it.
Let's have a look at the movement first. Now let's have a look at the step for the leaders. So we are going to start first in taking a side step together, but in this case as a leader I'm going to do a smaller step because I want to invite my partner to stay on my left side. So in this way I'm ready to walk on the close side of the embrace, on her left side, to walk in cross system. So I'm going to do only one step with my left foot. One step, and I'm going to suspend this position. I'm going to suspend with embrace, with intention to keep her in both legs instead of inviting her to do the step. So it's very important, leaders, to give this intention early, yes, because if you do side, you change your weight and then you go boom, she's going to go, yes, she's gone. So it will be too late. So the intention begins from the side step. Here in the side step already, the intention is that I'm going, but I'm suspending at the same time. I'm holding her with embrace. So here I freeze her and I will isolate my pivot. So my pivot is not going to be for her, it's going to be isolated of what's happening in the embrace. So I pivot and I keep her in that position. Now we go together for Americana. Yes, I invite her to go with me, and now I'm going to invite her to pivot by herself without me pivoting. So again, we isolate her pivot. So this pivot, and I'm not pivoting with her, yes? So, and here we go into the hero. Back, side, forward. Now we show you from another angle. So we begin with the side step. I change my weight, I step in cross system, one step inside, I suspend this position, so I keep her in both legs, and now I'm going to do an isolated pivot. So I pivot alone, and then I go with her. We go together into the Americana, I do one pivot for her, and then we go straight away into the hero.
Let's look at the steps for the followers. We start with a side step with them, then take a back step. Make sure you're really stepping behind yourself here to give him some space. He's holding the embrace still, so you are stepping in the middle of your step. Yeah. We take a forward step with them. He's inviting us to pivot. Make sure you're starting your pivot from the center of the body, not from the hips. Here, back, side, forward. At the end of this movement, you have a major hero, so a half turn. You really want to give power to this half turn because you want to take him with you. So, side, back, we stay still, forward, a pivot, and back, side, forward. We really want to have a lot of power and really go around the man. So don't do small steps, really think about going around your partner at that moment. When you are doing the little pivot in the middle, here, decide. Either you make this sharp or you make it a little bit softer. It's really your pivot, it's your way of expressing the music. So listen to the music and you can decide how you want to make it.
The embrace has a big participation in this movement, because in the first part we are going to give this suspension to hold the position of our partner with the embrace. Yeah? So that's why it's very important that it's very firm and it's very clear that you are holding her in that position. And after that, for the hero, we need a flexible embrace. That's why in both parts of the movement, the embrace is very important. Now let's have a look at this with the music.
This movement, as you can see, is all about pivoting with power, and also making sure that you are grounded and stable in the whole movement. So if you want to practice this at home with it's quite easy but a very powerful exercise, make sure that you download the free guide that we have created for you. It will really help you feel much more stable in those type of movements and throughout your dancing. We will put the link in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and download it.
It's important to really enjoy the pivot, yes, because it's not just a transition between steps. If not that it's a step, it's something that is part of the dance, it's not just a transition. So basically in this moment, for example, what we did, we are using the pivot as a tool to create more energy, more dynamic, because I pivot her in one direction, and when I pivot her in the opposite direction, in the other direction, I create energy, like elastic energy, to power the hero.
If you like this movement as much as we do, please like the video and share it with a friend. If you're on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you looking for? It's an amazing channel. Make sure you go ahead, subscribe. We share weekly video tips and sequences to help make your dancing more flavorful, more full, more interesting, and especially.
Please keep learning and keep sharing your dancing, because the world of tango needs your embrace.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.